5. Okay, we just had the students read the John and the cherries. Now we're going to move on to the next page now. We're going to be flicking backwards and forwards at the moment from the way we're making this video. At what shop? Question number 1. At what shop did John and his mother call first? Now I'm going to go back. Right. Let me have a look over here. So one day John went shopping with his mother. Their first call, there you go, their first call was at the greengrocers. Now, I'm going to quickly flick forward. Oh, I'm going to read out the question. The question was, at what shop did John and his mother call first? I need somebody to give me the sentence, at what shop? So the key word in the answer should be the word shop. And John and his mother called first one.
Went to greengrocers.
Okay, so we're going to start with the sentence that looks like this. I'm going to write over here at the moment, and then over here. So we can write down here, for number 1, John and his mother. So this is context of the question. John and his mother. And the question says, call first. So we can say John and his mother first called. So we can say called at. Okay, can you write on the piece of paper, please? That should be the answer for number 1. You need to put the title on your piece of paper, John and the cherries, and number 1 is John and his mother first called the greengrocers. That answers the question on the dot. That is question number 1 done. Okay, we happy with that? Okay, question number 2. Question number 2 says, explain what looking longingly means. So the word longingly. So let's have a look. I'm just going to quickly clear this page now. So got more space. And let's see where that word comes up. There's the word there. Now, John looked longingly at a box containing lovely red cherry. Looking longingly means to look with. Is what? What does it mean? Go on, have a go.
A long distance.
Not long distance, because the shop, he's standing at the shop. Longingly, he
Gazing for a long time.
So, but what is it? Why is he doing that though? Because he wants some. Okay. So number 2, looking longingly means to look with desire, that you want something. You look at it, you want it. So number 2. Whoa, we lost the pen. So looking. Okay. So looking longingly means to look at it with desire. You want it. You really want it. So if you're looking at a pair of trainers in a shop, and you keep looking at all this, and your mom, dad sees, and they know that you want those pair of trainers. Yeah. Okay, question number 3. What did the greengrocer tell John to do? So let's have a look at the text. Have you got that down, folks? Those, yeah? Hold on. So, it goes, help yourself to a handful. John, said the greengrocer. So that's what the greengrocer said. Number 3, what did the greengrocer tell John to do? Okay, so in a sense, what could we do for this answer? Could we literally copy out the answer question here? The sentence, help yourself to a handful, John said, on this it here, tell or told the greengrocer, said the greengrocer, same thing, isn't it? Yeah. What I want you to do here, I want you to copy out that entire sentence from here So there, that is your answer, exactly as you see there. Copy that. Go on. Miftah Sayara. T. Okay, folks. Right. So help yourself to a handful, John. So that will do as an answer for question number. Which one's that? So number 3 is right there. That is number 3. Got it down? Exactly as it is with the speech marks and capital letters and commas and stuff. Exactly as it is.
Finished.
Good.
Not yet. Closer.
Has everybody got that part of the text down?
No. Yes. No. No.
Okay. Right. Let's. Question number 4. I'm reading it down. Did John do as he was told? So number 4. So it says here, but John did not move. So the answer to number 4. The question goes, did John do as he was told? So the answer should be John didn't. What we just said earlier, didn't. So John didn't do what he was told. So John, make sure you write down John and not Jahan. Okay, our last students write down G-O-N-H. So John didn't do what he was told. And that is number 4 done. What he was told. Question number 4 is done. Okay, are you happy with that? Question number 5. What did the greengrocer do when he saw John was so shy? So number 5. Let's have a look. Help yourself. I'm sure you got to ask the puzzle shop and John quickly. Thinking that the boy was too shy to help himself, the greengrocer went to the box and gave John. What's the keyword here? Large handful. Okay. Question number 5 is, what did the greengrocer do? So the greengrocer gave John a handful of cherries. So that's what done. So the greengrocer, what did he do? What the greengrocer, the word here, gave John a large handful of cherries. No. Okay, lovely. All done? That one? Question number 6. Question number 6, I'll read it out to you. Which word describes John best and why? There's not really a right or wrong answer in this particular one. It's all your opinion. Now, if you look at the text, when his mother asked him, why didn't you take, because when they had left the shop, John's mother asked him why he had not taken the cherries when the greengrocer had told him to. Well, you see, Mummy, replied John, his hand is twice as big as mine. That shows you that he was clever. That he figured out that if he gets a handful of his own handful, his hand is small. When the greengrocer gives him a handful, he'll have to use both of his hands to hold it so he gets double. He didn't want to be greedy and like grab with 2 hands. So what's a handful? A handful means use 1 hand. Yeah? So what we're going to say for number 6. So which word describes John best? So write on the word's clever, the word. Okay. Let's write it down. The word clever describes John best. Okay, they want to know why. What did John realize? Realize he would get twice as much if he waited. So patience. If he waited for the greengrocer to give him. Okay, it's a bit of a long, quiet answer. It's all over the place. Get twice as much if he waited for the greengrocer to give him. Okay, that's the end of that particular text. I'll give you some time to copy it all up.